Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to fix snapped wire. I showed you how to fix this cooker, multi-cooker, and someone asked me how to do the repair of the wires, which I didn't cover. So I'm gonna do it now. Unfortunately, it snapped again, so I'm doing it. That's why it made me think to make this for you. So you can, as you can see, this one is snapped. So I'm gonna just wiggle this a bit and remove this, the one that is snapped, and then remove. Can you see? I'm just removing that one as well. So so these two. First, it's to do it simple at home. Just grab something sharp. This is only for adults. If you're not an adult, you need to ask an adult to do this for you. Just very gently go around the shell, and then you can, if you've got a plier, it's easier. You can do it with hand as well. So as you can see, it's coming. So I'll take this out, and then I would like to. So I've done some repair before on it, which doesn't look good. Okay. The way I like it is to divide it into two, and then do the same on the opposite. So just go this around. See, even it's a bit difficult with hand, but still possible. So this part, yes, okay. Okay. So both part is now ready. All you need to do is just put them like this, and then do this one and do the other one like this. You see? So one part of it is connected, and now the other part. So you cross them and then just rotate them. Make sure while you are rotating, they are rotating correctly. Both of them are rotating onto each other, not just one rotates on one. And then when this all done, just you can rotate both of them as well, and just grab a piece of tape, which I had on this one before, so I'm just going to reuse it. And you can do it that way, or you can do it that way. Either way is fine. I haven't done a clean job, so it's just okay. So it's all done. So in this case, it's better this to go under it. So I'm gonna unscrew this and then put it under. But I checked it, and you can even leave it as it is, and all should be working fine. So you don't need to just go under it again. Just leave it as it is. It's better, I think. Okay. Have fun, and hopefully you'll do it. Cheers.